Mike, we've seen your gravity systems. We come over here and now I understand this can do some pressure systems and some potable water. What do we have here from HammerHead?
Correct. So, to be applicable with pressure pipe, obviously a water main or a force main demands a whole lot more from a liner, right? So some of the different things that make our lining system applicable in pressure is the quality control that you get from our mobile mixing system. So this is a positive displacement pumping system that just doses and measures the epoxy properly so that we get the exact liner that you specify to take on operating pressures, vacuum, surge pressures, the things that that pressure pipes demand from a liner.
So it maintains some nice tight tolerances to make sure that you're getting everything mixed properly to do the job right the first time.
Correct. So the data logging also gives that higher level of quality control and quality assurance so that the owner knows that everything was conditioned properly, everything was mixed at temperature properly. It's kind of like CIPP 2.0. Great. The best way to describe it.
How big are we talking here? Can you do any size pipe?
So this system is capable to line gravity pipes as well, but also force mains and water mains from 6-inch up to 48-inch in diameter. Everything we use is 100% solids epoxy. So if the owner is a little bit sensitive to different resin systems, the 100% solids epoxy system just give them that styrene-free, environmentally safe solution.
Nice. So where do I find out more about this?
You can find out more at HammerHeadTrenchless.com, LinkedIn, any social media outlet.
Anywhere.
Absolutely.
Thanks, Mike.
Thank you.